Once you have a QR code in front of you, either at the welcome door of the store or at a pamphlet which was given to you physically, or maybe from any social media outlet. So what you do, you go to your camera and you scan for the QR code. The moment you have clicked on the QR code, you have scanned, you will be directed towards the web page and you go to the store. The interface is very smooth, very efficient, and this is where it directs you to. So here, this is the Bakala or a grocery store, as it is called here in Abu Dhabi. And you can see there are different items which are available. So suppose we want to order milk, we'll just click on the milk and you have the options of milk. I had just now ordered 2 liters of milk. So here you have an option. So you can increase or decrease the number. Suppose you want to order another type of milk, you have to just click on this add button and the item is added. So you can add or minus as you want. Okay, it is very efficient, very fast. So you can go to the previous window wherein you have the option of other items or the different items that you require. So here you can see, now suppose we want to add oil, we click on the oil and we add oil. Similar process, you just add and then you see suppose this is what you have already ordered and this is what you want to finish. Then you just go in the checkout, you see below there is a checkout option and here you are, whatever you have just now ordered, there's a list. Suppose I don't want to go ahead with something, I can remove that from the list, or if I want to keep it, I can keep it. And then I mention my name, then I mention my number, then I mention if I want pickup or delivery. Suppose it is pickup or delivery, both options are there. So you see, if it is delivery, it will ask you the time. Suppose I want it at 1:30, send this as an option available. And here you either type your address, ask for my location, if or address. If I'm saying pickup, it will not ask for my location. Okay, so here I'm being directed to give my address or location. Now I can physically put my address, or I have a choice which is really good, that I can give my location. I can give my location here straight away. I've given my location, and also it can take comments like, suppose I want them to make it little spicy, or I want them to make a thin crust, or I want them to bring more cutlery, like please give more cutlery. So anything, or send change for AD 500. So this is your special thing, whatever you want to. And most of the time nowadays stores are giving you coupons like discount codes. So the moment you have a discount code like 10 off example, so if you apply, this code is not valid. We'll see, you have to be very clear to apply the code, and this coupon code has expired. That means this code is finished. So you have to request for the store, maybe they have a new option or new promotion which you have to go, but this code was valid few days ago, but now it is not valid. So here, since I do not have a code, so I'll go without code and I'll proceed with the option. And here if you see, it gives me, it goes via WhatsApp and all my details are available here. You see the name of the item I ordered, the variant and how many I ordered, the same is here, and what are the details. So it's a live order which has been placed, and it also gives my location. So this is how we order from serveorder.com.